Hi guys, welcome to the craft table. Today we're going to be doing a viewer requested tutorial. It takes one solar light that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and you won't need the bottom part, so you just slide that off like this. You'll need the top part and a mason jar lid, just this part, the ring, and of course a mason jar. Any size will do as long as it's the small lid that fits these ones. Alright, you take this and you're going to slide it in through the hole like that. And that's basically all you need to do. So, are you ready to make a snowman mason jar solar light? Let's get to work. You're going to need your jar, your solar light, the lid, some E600 hot glue, and I'm going to be painting mine, so you need the paints. Paint palette. I'm going to be using the sponges because I'm going to be daubing, and a black marker to make some details on the face. So everything here is optional. The only thing you really need is the solar light from the Dollar Tree, and you can pick these up. This actually came from the Dollar Tree, so for $2 you have a solar light that you can put on your front porch. I also will be hanging mine, so I'm going to be using some twine to tie around the top. I have 2 hooks out front and I need 2. So, but right now we'll do the one. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to glue this, squirt it around the rim on the edge, all the way around. Now I'm going to take my glue gun and I am going to go also around the edge. That's all there is. And I'm going to let that sit for a while and start some painting. And we're back. My jar is all dry and I've painted the rim and the light, just the sides, to make it look like a snowman hat. So now all I have to do is put a face on my jar, add a couple embellishments, and I think we're good. And there we have a face. Now all we have to do is put the little hat on. And he's got his hat. So, because I am going to hang it, and because I always have to use twine or jute, I am going to, first I'm going to add a little twine bow to his hat. There, I've added a bow, and now I'm going to make a handle so I can hang him. So there it is. There is our hanging solar light. I'll make sure to post pictures of him glowing in the dark. And I hope I sparked a little bit of imagination, gave you some inspiration, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. See you now. Bye.